for how many days can we store cookies, dry cakes and Christmas cakes? Okay, so everything has its own shelf life. So if you are talking about cookies, the cookies, depending on again which recipe, if you are using all the recipes from the course, then the cookies can stay up to a month as well. Okay, because they actually stay really well for a long period of time, because they contain very less moisture as such. Now talking about the dry cakes, any cake for that matter will stay only for a little amount of time, meaning 7 to 10 days you will have to finish your cake. And it again depends on how you are storing it. Even in case of cookies, only the cookies that are properly packed, the ones which are packed nicely in the plastic bag or something, they will stay good for up to a month as well. But if you are continuously opening, even if you are putting them in an airtight container, they may not stay more than a week or so. Why? Because you will keep opening the container every now and then. So of course the moisture will seep in, and then your cookies are going to be soggy. Same thing happens with your biscuits as well, right? The packed biscuit that you get from the market, it stays good for so many months. But the moment you open it, and the moment, even if you keep that airtight container, or like the lid of your airtight container away for a minute, you will see that the biscuit will start becoming soggy. So everything depends completely on how you are packaging them properly or not. So the packed ones, they will stay good for 1 month, but the open ones, you have to finish it in 7 days, a week to 10 days. About dry cakes, they will stay good for up to 7 days in your refrigerator, but every single time when you want to eat it, you have to either steam it or microwave it, just to get the feel of eating a cake that is fresh, right? That is one thing. About Christmas cake, see, the way Christmas cakes are prepared, especially plum cake or rum cake that you have tried, the way that is prepared, it is completely different from your regular tea time cakes, right? So Christmas cakes, they are made in advance because they stay for a longer period of time. The more you keep, and you have to store them at room temperature only. The more you store it, the more that flavor improves from the cakes, especially rum. If you are using the non-alcoholic recipe over here, that you will have to finish it in 7 to 10 days, max 15 days. But again, you have to wrap it properly, cling wrapped one. The moment that cling wrap is gone, I'm sure that people will be able to finish it in just 1 day, because the taste is so good.